Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, The Power of Investing, a Motivational Speech. I'm here to inspire you to take control of your financial future and unlock the incredible potential of investing. Are you ready? Let's dive right in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
We live in a world of opportunities, my friends. The power to transform your life lies within your grasp. Investing is not just about money. It's about creating a future filled with abundance, freedom, and endless possibilities. Whether you're starting from scratch or have some savings tucked away, investing can change your life in ways you never thought possible. Investing is a journey, and like any journey, it starts with a single step. The first step is to educate yourself. Learn about the different investment options available to you. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and more. Understand the risk involved, but also recognize the tremendous rewards that await those who are willing to take action. Books are your best friends on this journey. They hold the wisdom of those who have achieved remarkable success before us. Read books on investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Immerse yourself in that knowledge that can shape your financial future. Now, let's talk about the power of compounding. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world." And he was absolutely right. Compounding always allows your money to work for you, growing exponentially over time. Imagine investing a modest amount consistently over several years. Through the magic of compounding, that money will multiply and grow. The key is to start early and be consistent. Time is your most valuable asset when it comes to investing. Investing is not reserved for the wealthy or the elite. It's for anyone with a burning desire for financial independence and a willingness to learn. No matter your background, age, or income, investing can pave the way to a brighter future. Don't let fear hold you back. It's natural to feel apprehensive about investing, especially if you're just starting. But remember, fortune favors the bold. Take calculated risk, diversify your investments, and stay disciplined. The market may have its ups and downs, but those who stay the course are the ones who reaped the rewards. Imagine the life you're always dreamed of. A beautiful home, financial security, the ability to travel the world, and the freedom to pursue your passions. All of this is within your reach through the power of investing. It's not a fantasy. It's a reality for those who are willing to put in the effort. Investing is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about creating a legacy for future generations. By investing wisely and building a strong financial foundation, you can leave a lasting impact on your family, your community, and the world. Imagine being able to support causes you care about, contribute to charitable organizations, and make a difference in the lives of others. Throughout history, countless individuals have harnessed the power of investing to achieve greatness. People like Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and Ray Dalio started with humble beginnings, but through strategic investing, they amassed incredible wealth. Their stories serve as inspiration for all of us, proving that anyone can succeed with the right mindset and determination. I want you to think about your future, your goals, and what truly matters to you. Investing is not just about accumulating money, it's about creating a life of purpose and fulfillment. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a positive impact in the world. Now it's time to take action. Start by setting clear financial goals for yourself. Define what you want to achieve and by when. Then, create a well thought out investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Seek the guidance of financial advisors if needed, but remember that the ultimate responsibility lies within you. The journey of investing begins with that first investment. It may be a small amount, but it's a leap of faith towards a better future. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay committed. Embrace the setbacks as learning opportunities and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who are on a similar path. Join investment clubs, attend seminars, and engage in discussions. The collective wisdom and shared experience will accelerate your learning and keep you motivated. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It requires patience, perseverance, and a strong belief in your abilities. Stay focused on your goals and resist the temptation of short-term gains. The true power lies in staying invested and letting time and compounding work their magic. I believe in you. I believe that each and every one of you has the potential to achieve greatness through the power of investing. It's time to take control of your financial destiny, break free from limitations, and create a life that is abundant in every sense of the word. Thank you for joining me today on this motivational journey. Remember, the power of investing is within your reach. Believe in yourself, educate yourself, and take action. Together we can unlock the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and always remember the power of investing. Congratulations. You've now taken the first step towards financial independence and a brighter future by considering investing now with $100. That is the amount we're going to start with, $100. While it may seem like a modest amount, don't underestimate the power of starting small. In this motivational piece, I want to inspire you to take action, show you that every journey begins with a single step, and demonstrate how investing even a small amount can lead to significant growth and opportunities. Starting with $100 allows you an opportunity to learn and gain experience in the world of finance. With access to various investment platforms, you can begin exploring different investment vehicles and understanding their risks and rewards. Take the time to research, read books, and educate yourself about investment strategies and market trends. As you familiarize yourself with the basics, you'll gain confidence in your decision-making abilities and become better equipped to make informed investment choices in the future. Investing with $100 teaches you resilience in the face of challenges. It's inevitable that you will encounter market fluctuations and setbacks along the way. However, by starting with a smaller account, you learn to manage and navigate these obstacles with resilience and a growth mindset. Every experience, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, the path to financial success is not always linear, but with perseverance, you can overcome obstacles and continue moving forward. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and happy investing, everyone.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.